Okay. Hi, Shiloh. I see you over there. Yeah, what are you looking at? It's white out there. What are we going to look at?
It's just like ridiculous. Holy cow.
What do you think?
Is that your phone?
Yeah, it's my phone. Well, let me get through here. Let's see out here. Well, let's see how much snow it is. Oh, yeah, there we go. Lift that snow. Tote that hail. Hi, Marilee.
Hi, Randall.
Nice rosy cheeks.
Hi, sweetie pie.
Hi, sweetie.
It's a blizzard. Minnesota style.
Not since 1991 that we had this much snow. It's hard to tell just how deep it is. Actually, rather than shoveling it on that side that's going to get blown over, why don't you push everything on that side? You see, it's going to blow from here
You know what, honey?
across the walk.
Just stop.
Yeah?
If I'm doing the shoveling, it's going to go where my shovel can go.
I see. All right. Can I shovel for a while and you can take my picture?
You want to prove that you can shovel? This is really hard.
Here, let me do it. You take a picture.
Okay.
This will be documentation for YouTube that I actually do shovel. Oh, wow.
That's a lot of snow.
Look at just the cross-section of the snow.
And I've already done it 3 times today. This is the 3rd.
This has got to be more than 12 inches.
I think it's about 16.
17 inches.
It's a lot of snow.
I'm thinking an 11 by 17 piece of paper.
Okay. It's a lot of snow.
Score paper. It's as tall as a full orchestral score. A full orchestral score. With 4 woodwinds in every part.
It's a big pile.
It is a big pile.
And it blows off our roof.
Look, take a picture up there. So you see the picture of the dog? He's looking out the window at us.
Wondering why they're out there. I have cleaned that front little section off 3 or 4 times today already.
Go down to the curb and take some pictures. See what it looks like with the snow down there on the street.
Look at that. Okay, I've got the wind blowing.
That's good. You know, you can zoom in that thing.
I'm going to let you do the zooming while I take over shoveling. And then I'm going to go in and get my bags, my lunch bags.
All right. Let's see how I can zoom. Trying to figure out. Wow. It hasn't started getting cold yet. It's only about 10. It's supposed to go down below 0 this evening. What time is it now?
4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can tell people are parking off the street because that car right there and that car right there have to be gone in 5 hours from that spot. And it's really snowing. It gives you an idea over here. The wind is starting to blow it up. What? No, I don't think so. The mail has not come today. It just gives you an idea how the wind is gusting every once in a while. It's not really started blowing. It's supposed to get gusts up to 50 miles per hour here very soon. And there's a truck. Looks like it's got a snow blower in the back. So he's going around hiring himself out. He's going down the street. Let's see what he does. Going down the street, four-wheel drive, big pickup truck with a snowblower on the back. Looking for a wake. He probably has a contract somewhere, or he's looking for work. And that gives you an idea. Let's look down the way. Somebody's come through here and shoveled a little bit. This is our neighbor right here. Tom lives in this house. Tom was out here earlier. You can see maybe, an hour ago, maybe, shoveling the snow. Nice little warm lights. This is a rental house, and you can hear the wind blowing in the trees far away. There comes Marilee. Hey Marilee, let's go.
I'm coming.
I don't have any of my wallet or anything.
I do.
All right.
I don't think I'm gonna get my car out.
Here's Marilee's car right here. Oh yeah. This car was clear at noon. It's 4 hours later. It's socked in. And
we'll just have to dig these out.
What?
We'll have to dig these cars out.
Oh yeah. Tomorrow I have a church service.
We'll be up at 6 a.m.
Now you can tell that was shoveled not that long ago. And icicles, okay, hold on. That's Belle barking in the background. I'm going to take off here for a little bit.